Can I ask you something? How do you feel right now? Are you happy? Healthy? Are you distracted by daily life? Are you stressed? Or are you worried about everything the future might bring? Are you lost? Or are you in the only moment that really exists, now? NOWATCH builds a bridge between the world outside and inside. It makes you aware of your sleep, your stress, health. It restores your balance and tells you everything about your inner world. NOWATCH doesn't tell you time. It gives you time and helps you get more from each moment in life. The time is now. NOWATCH.